It's different.
It is?
How do you say it is? It's different, Daddy. It is different.
Whoa, wonder what it is. Oh, I think it's the same thing. It's just backing back up. See, it has that big tank on the back.
Wow. Wait, I just not got this. Oh, that's not this one. But then it's stopped.
Oh, I bet it's about to come off the rail, maybe.
And yes, train wheels and mine have training wheels.
Yeah.
Oh, it's on a high.
Yeah, I bet they're about to take it back onto the road. Yep.
That's like a big dump truck thing.
It's got a big tank in it.
Uh-huh.
See the tank?
Yeah. Ready?
Yep,
He has different glasses than you.
he does.
Yeah. Daddy, look! That's going backwards too!
The other truck is coming?
Uh-huh. Do you see?
I do.
Maybe it's on the other truck so you can film the other train. So maybe you can feel that. So maybe you can film it.
Maybe.
It's coming closer. Daddy, that's the filming. Wait, oh, he came over.
Yep. Stay right here.
That's a big bird.
He didn't, I guess, want to wait on the trucks to finish going by. Or getting off the track, I suppose. Oh, the gates just went up.
Why?
Stay here.
That's a big boat, Daddy. He did not.
And he turned around.
Oh, they did go back. They did go back on the road, but one of them did, but one of them is just staying on.
Yep. But it's probably got to come back here to the crossing to be able to
Do some maintenance.
or to lift the train wheels up so that way it can get back onto the road.
Or maybe they're just going to do maintenance.
Nah, I think they're just letting the wheels up real quick.
Oh, they did. Oh. They did raise the wheels.
Yep.
And those can go on the train tracks and the road.
That's right.
Wait, who honked their horn?
Some people that are impatient. And it's over.